Okay, welcome you all to this video. In this video, I will tell you how you can create your algo and make trading without human interference, right? We have seen that we have a good strategy, but we cannot execute on proper time and we cannot exit it if there is a loss or profit, right? So algo will give us that flexibility to make your trade and exit at whatever you have decided. Okay, but before this this Tetron which I am going to tell you, the algo was so complicated, right? We have to write some code like Python code and all, and then that strategy will work, and we have to, and trader have to spend a lots of money for algo trading, right? But now with the Tetron, it's made a huge benefit for all the traders, all the retail investor. They can also make their own strategy with the help of this strategy builder and algo trading platform. Okay, so Tradetron is providing an algo trading platform for everyone. Okay, so if you are someone those who are looking for algo trading, so watch this video till the end and you will get awesome information for algo trading and you can make your own strategies. Okay, so watch this. I'm just sharing my screen right now. First, I've given some link in the description. You can click that link, and if you click the first link, you will get this page. This is my own site page, and I have partnered with Tradetron. Okay, and you can get all the information from this site. Also, you can see here there is some videos of Tradetron, how to use in Hindi. Also, some people don't know Hindi or English, so both the language is there, and how to create a strategy creation and all the information is given here. Okay, so what's the basic information I'm giving you in this? The first thing, when you click on in link in the description, you will get this start trading now. So you just have to click on that. Just click here, start trading now. Okay, and you will redirect it to Tradetron site. Okay, now after coming to this site, you can see here there is sign up and sign in. If you already have account with Tradetron, you can click here. If you don't have account, just 3 steps for sign up, 3 to 4 steps. Just click on sign up. So you just have to fill this form. If you have an account with Facebook or Google, then also you can do that. Okay, so this is the simple step. After filling this form, you will get the dashboard. Like I'm logging in my account, you can see here. Okay, just log in and you will get this dashboard. If you have any strategies, like I have this strategy, delta neutral strategy. Okay, so if you have any strategy, that will you can see here. But before that, you can see here. Just a minute. Yeah, this is the dashboard, right? This is the strategies, my subscription and report. You can see here. Okay, this is the reports and dashboard. Okay, and you can see here also. Let me remove this. Okay, here you can see your name will be there, and here is one drop down, right? So when you come on this page, you will say this dashboard, and if you want to add your broker, you can add your broker and trade with that. Okay, so if you want to add your broker, just click here on this drop down, and you will see here broker exchange. Okay, you will see here broker and exchanges. Okay, here. So just click on that. right? Broker and exchanges. If you click that, you will get this page. Okay, so here you can see add broker. Okay, here it's add broker. So you just have to click on add broker. Okay, and you will see here brokers. Okay, there are so many brokers they have typed with, like you can see here there are so many brokers, and I'm trading with Profitmart mostly, so I'm just clicking on Profitmart. This is my account. Okay, so whatever your brokerage is, you just have to type that, and brokerage per transaction, if you have any other plan, so you can select that. Okay, so now we have to connect. Now in algo trading, what happened, we need to get API key and all, and then there is so much work. But here you don't have to do anything. Just click how you are login with your trade terminal in mobile. They just have to log in like this. So you just have to click your ID and password. Okay, token code, you can say anything, because if you are first time doing, you just do a paper trade. Okay, they have paper trade option also. Now you can see here broker and exchange setting created successfully. Okay, so your broker is been mapped now. You can see your broker name here. If anyone have don't see the broker name, then that company is not mapped, might be. Okay, so you can see here now Profitmart is here. Now, if I created any strategy and I want to deploy that, so I can do with the help of this software, and I can trade in my account, right? So it is so simple to make any strategy if you want, right? And if you think that this is very complicated and you cannot make the strategies, okay, so if you have any logic, you can fill one form that is also in description, link given in description. Okay, if you have any logic, so the TradeTron team and me also will help you to make that. Okay, like if you go to the dashboard, you can see here, there is my one of my strategies. If I click here and my strategies, okay, so you can click here, check here my strategies. This is my strategy. Okay, this is a delta neutral strategy. Okay, so this type of strategy you can make, like I can show you how I make that. If you click on edit, you can see here there is some options here, right? Deploy, edit and backtest. Okay, so you can do that. So I just click on edit and you can see this, right? There is set number 1. Set number 1 means position, whatever you are taking position, right? So the position and condition, like this is set number 1 entry, and set number 1 position. You can say check here, right? So condition means what? Condition is like if you have any condition like 1 hour candle high will be break, then you have to buy, or 15-minute low, when the 15-minute low will be break on daily candle or on daily chart, okay, or today or yesterday, whatever the chart is, then you have to buy or sell. That is the condition. Okay, so you have to mark your condition. Okay, and here is your position, like you are making buy, sell and all. Okay, so this is very simple, right? So rest of the demo you can get on my website, okay, or on TradeTron website also, and YouTube channel also. Okay, so it is best to go on my site because I have given some more information there. Okay, so I have given the all link in description, so you check all and try to trade in algos. Okay, this is super simple. You can get all the ideas of algo, and if you want to make your strategy also, so we will help you in that. The TradeTron team will be help you, and I'm also there. Okay, so bye bye. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and comment. because this is the super awesome for retailer and everybody should get benefit from this. Okay, and if it anybody should not be trade over here only. Okay, the trade should be on system and let the system works, because system get all correct data and all, and people can fail, right? Hope you understand. So thank you very much. Like, share and comment. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.